This is sweet sticky rice with mango. It is the most famous Thai dessert in Thailand and in any restaurant around the world. I'm going to show you how to make this one today. And to make it easier for you, I have separated to be 4 steps. First, cooking sticky rice. You can cook it by bamboo basket, steamer, or even using a rice cooker, which I have shown you in my previous video. Second, preparing coconut mixture. And we're going to mix this mixture with our sticky rice. Third, preparing coconut cream topping. We're going to put this cream over the sticky rice just right before it's served. And the fourth one is mango. I'm going to show you how to cut mango. Believe me that not everybody knows how to cut mango. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching Neena's Thai Kitchen. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.